Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. It is not Car Chronicles Day, but I am in the car. I'm just leaving work and I will be home in a while because I have an appointment to go to. But I received an email saying that a package was delivered to my house. So if you'd like to know what package that is, stay tuned. It's been several hours. I look a mess. I just came in from the garden, but I'm finally ready to show you what I was talking about in the car earlier. So let's take a look at it. GreenStalk, of course, was having a sale. I am relatively new to all things GreenStalk. I learned about it last year. I purchased two and I have not been following. I have to be honest. If I get an email, I may or may not look at it because I don't need anything. But this year, one of my family members has gotten into gardening again for the spring, and I want her to be successful. She had a whole bunch of small containers, and I thought getting her a green stalk would be helpful. To include, I always plant up a bunch of flowers for my mom, and so I got her one as well, and they're both in this box. I just opened it up. If you know anything about GreenStalk, they always give you information, who packed it, a how-to instructional guide, as well as seeds and whatever else they may have in the box. So I've already just opened it up, so that was one less thing I had to do. I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm doing this with one hand. So what I did was I ordered a 3-tier, same color as I have, GreenStalk for my mom and my sister. So both of them for Mother's Day get a 3-tier GreenStalk from me. They were $79. If you had a coupon code, there are a couple of content creators who have really large channels like How to Become a Farm Girl and Yellow Door, I think it's Yellow Door Urban Homestead, and a few others. Those are just a couple that I look at. They had, of course, a coupon code. The coupon code can be used. If I can remember, I'll put it in the description box below, or I will grab their video that talk about it. That way you can look at not only the information in my description, but you can also pop over to them and look at their videos as well if you're not familiar with them. But I bought them GreenStalks because they are growing. My mom is growing because my sister and I put things in the garden for her, and my sister because she is really interested in making sure that she has a prosperous spring. She normally grows spring, summer, and usually by the end of summer, she's done because things have died off and she's just not interested in keeping up with it. But I'm hoping that getting her the 3-tier GreenStalk will help her with consolidating all the really tiny pots into this. I've been out in the garden, so I am hot, I'm sweaty, I've had a lot of work to do. In my last video, I think, or video, maybe 3 videos ago, I don't know, but I talked to you guys about some beneficial insects that I put in the garden, so I have to come in and mist and water every day. So that's what I did immediately after coming in from my appointment. And so I just wanted to show you guys briefly the GreenStalks that I was able to get for my sister and my mom. I didn't know that they came 3-tier. Again, I'm not a GreenStalk follower like that. I got an email and I happened to look at it and I thought, oh wow, that would be perfect because like I said, my sister and I plant up things for my mother. I went over there recently and I planted up amaryllis. I'd already given her I gave her cannas this year. I gave her elephant ears last year. So my mom always has something that comes from my garden. And I wanted to gift her the GreenStalk so that I can put more annuals in her garden as well. She has the a yellow trumpet flower. She has the white devil's trumpet that I put in her garden. She's got a bunch of those because I just threw seeds everywhere. And for my sister, I started her garden off for her this year. So there's a whole bunch of stuff growing for her. So I just want to make sure that my family has a few things that they could possibly use to help their growing in their garden. So I want to say thank you all for joining me. I know this is probably a little chaotic. I'm hot, I'm tired. It's late and I just want to get in the house. I look terrible. Gardening, I don't know how some of the ladies do it when they go out in their gardens. They're content creators and they've got a full face of makeup on. I don't wear makeup anymore because it's hot. And I am constantly in the garden or going into the garden, and I don't want to have to wash all that off because I will touch my face and you get makeup everywhere. So, side note, I look horrible, and that's a part of my gardening experience. Don't judge me. But yes, Greenstock, this is probably going to be over. The sale is probably going to be over by the time I upload this video because I'm behind in my videoing, but at least I am getting it out. So, what I know about it is Greenstock does have regular sales. They will have another sale coming up on Father's Day. That's how I got my second Greenstock. So if you're looking for a Greenstock and the price point is not quite where you can afford it for a 5-tier or 7-tier, maybe a 3-tier might be where you can start. So I just wanted to show you all that. I didn't take it out of the box because you all have seen my Greenstock. What I will do is I will attach either here or here the video of me showing you my Greenstock as well as a video of me filling my Greenstock up, and that way you can see what my 5-tier looks like and just imagine that in a 3-tier. So until the next time, I hope you all have a great night, great day, or whenever you're watching this video. Thank you for joining me in my garage space. I don't have my fan on. I am melting. So if you have not done this already, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you either in my kitchen, maybe my garage, or in my food forest real soon. Now I've got to get in. See what I tell you about that last video, the flies? I have a bug zapper in the garage because of flies. Anyway, bye for now.